Yo, first order of the day. We've got a McDonald's. This is $7 going 3.5 miles.
Hello, thank you for choosing McDonald's. Are you going to be using the mobile app today?
Thank you. Been about 20 minutes since that last order, but we finally got another one. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $9 going 4 miles. One item. Next up is a Starbucks. This is $7 going 4 miles.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Got this one right away. It is a Jack in the Box. $7 going 4 miles.
Have a good day.
You too. It's been about 20 minutes since that last order, and we got something. We got a Voodoo Donut, $17 going 9.5 miles. Next order up is a Starbucks. This one is $5 and change going 1.5 miles. Hello.
Ryan, venti mocha. Are you waiting for?
I just had an order for DA.
Yep.
Yeah.
Here you are.
Thank you. Next up is a Victorico's, $7 going 3 miles. Thank you. You too. Finally got the next order after waiting 15 minutes. This is a stack. We've got a Gravity Coffee and a shop and deliver for Target. $11 going 4 miles. 2 items that I have to shop for. Hello. I just had a DoorDash for LT.
Perfect. Oh, right now. Just one item, right?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you.
And then just watch out, there's a little curb right here. So
Gotcha.
Hop over.
This might be a really short video, so I might just throw some kitty clips in and then just slap it in front of a different segment. Current time is 9:03. Total, we ended up with 72. Yo. First order of the day is a Black Rock coffee. This one might be a bad idea. I don't know yet. It looks a little funky to me, but we'll see. $21 going 9 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. There you are.
What you got?
Easy enough. Now we just gotta wait and see if that was a tip bait. I got this order as I was dropping off. This is a McDonald's, $8 going 4 miles. So I'm supposed to get there before the lobby opens, but these red lights are kind of screwing me on that. I'm literally right here. I just need this to turn green.
Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
I just had an Uber pickup. It's ECF.
What is gonna be your order?
It's ECF.
Hi, what's your code? Sorry.
ECF. It's for Christian.
Is it a mobile order?
Uber.
Uber? Oh, our lobby's actually open already if you want to come inside.
It's open?
Yeah.
All right. I swear, they were just stalling so they can unlock the lobby. Oh, it's ready for me. Oh, nice. Me when I lie for fun. Okay, they gave me a gate code, but I have no idea where this is going. Awesome. It says meet at door. Okay, which door? Please tell me, which door am I going to? All right, I guess this is going to the leasing office. You can pick it up there. All right, on to the next one, I guess. We are also doing earn by time. Current rate is $17 an hour. And this first order, guess where this one's going? Back to that same McDonald's. This is going 2.5 miles. No tip on that. Total for that was $4. Nice. Been a little bit, but finally got the next order. This is Burger King. This one's going 3.5 miles. Tell me if these instructions make sense. Maybe I'm just tripping. It says kind of across from the backside of the Amazon lockers and to the rightish bottom floor. Let me know if you guys got that. I like how they messaged me their apartment number as I'm dropping it off. Like, yeah, I was driving around, but not because I didn't know your apartment number. It's because I didn't know where it was, because your instructions didn't help me at all. Oh, of course, that was a no tip. Total for that was $5 and change. Next up is a Black Rock coffee going 5.5 miles. Thank you. Another no tip. That's 3 in a row. Very nice. Total for that was $6 and change, and got the next one right away. This is Chick-fil-A going 6 miles. Morning.
Are you here to pick up parking?
Thomas? Thank you. You too. And yet another no tip. Total for that was $7, and got the next order right away. This is IHOP going 5.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was just under $9. Current time is 7:50. Total, we ended up with $60. Okay, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.